Hello friends, I am Meenu. Today I want to talk about 7 ways how adversity serves us. Yes, you'd be thinking how adversity can serve us? But let me give you 7 ways, then you will realize yes, adversity can be good for us. First one, adversity gives you perspective. When you fall sick and after you recover, you see or you think your life in a different way. You change your lifestyle, you change your food style, everything. So, adversity can give you different perspective to look around your life. You will think about the true meaning of life. Second, adversity teaches us to be grateful. When you have something, you never feel its importance in your life, but you don't have it. Basically, you lose it or it's deprived, then you feel, oh my god, I should have it, right? For example, if you have hot water in your bathroom, you never feel grateful that, oh my god, I have hot water, warm water in my bathroom. But one day, if you don't have it, you realize, oh, I could have had it. So, similarly, you have same feeling for everything in your life. Until unless you lose it, you don't feel its importance, you don't realize its importance, you don't feel grateful for it. Right now, if I say, I have two eyes, two legs, two hands, I'm grateful for that because so many people there in the world, they don't have it. I'm so grateful. So please be grateful for whatever you have. And adversity teaches us to be that. Third, adversity brings out our hidden talent. Remember, whenever you come out from any obstacle, you overcome any problem, you feel more stronger, more confident. And problem or adversity brings out the best out of us. Whatever best we can do, that comes out. So, adversity is not always bad. It keeps you working on your own natural skills, own ability, your talent, your hidden talent. You never know that you can come over, you can cross the river, but if some adversity is there, you will do that. I can remember one example. If in some other room there is a fire, you will feel like, okay, why would I go there? If I'll push you, then still you will not go. But what if your family member is there? You will go, right? And you will save them and you will save yourself as well. So, that you didn't know that you can do it, but you did it. That is your hidden talent. You are a survivor. Fourth, adversity encourages us to take action, to change. You can remember that this is the best example right now because we are in that situation, the pandemic, the corona, and imagine that lockdown was there and business and personal life has been impacted. So many lives, millions, billions, right? But how people came over it? How people doing their business? Many people were working on physically. They never believed to go digitally. We were not doing anything digitally. Even for IT sector, as I was working for IT sector, I would say that work from home was not allowed for most of the projects. But now everything is manageable. So adversity taught us to adapt to change, to take action, not to skip it. Fifth is adversity teaches us valuable lessons. whether in life or business and career, you always learn something from adversity. If you have done something wrong or something wrong happened, you can learn from that. And the learning will help you to grow your business, your career, or your personal life or your personal development. It will help you. Sixth one is adversity opens a new door. Yes, what if you are clinged to a job which you are just comfortable? After working for years and years, we feel more comfortable in a job, right? In the same company, with the same kind of people. We know the system, we know the people around us, how we can work around, everything we know. So we become very comfortable about it. But what if we have to leave that job? Suddenly, company decided to reduce the headcount and they release you. Immediately you will find new option. You will start searching, and you believe me, you can find better options as well. They can give you better paycheck, you can find better people. It's always good that we get new people around us so that we learn something new from them, right? So I just want to say that adversity gives you many options. It's not always bad. It can give you new chance, new opportunity. Seventh and last, adversity builds courage and self-esteem. When you go through any problem, any issue, any crisis, and you overcome, you get more confidence. Your self-esteem gets higher and higher. Why? Because you have fought with the situation, you have come over. You know how to deal with the situations, whatever it is. So that gives you more confidence, more self-esteem, that increase your self-respect or self-love for yourself. Right? So these are 7 ways that adversity can help us, can serve us to be a better person, to be a better version of ourselves, to build our own career, own future, or our own self. So correct your attitude towards adversity and go ahead and get success. All the best.